Entering and exiting a trade on Robinhood is a straightforward process. To begin a trade, open the Robinhood app and click on the search icon at the top of the screen. Search for the specific stock or ETF you want to trade. Select it, and then click on the Buy button. You can change the order type by clicking on the arrow in the top right corner and selecting from options such as Limit Order, Trailing Stop Order, Stop Order, or Stop Limit Order. Once you've selected your order, enter the price and amount, review, and swipe up to submit. This process applies to trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, and options. For cryptocurrencies, go to the Crypto tab, search for the specific cryptocurrency, and click on the Buy button. Enter the price and amount, select the order type, review, and swipe up to submit. For options trading, search for the specific stock, click on the Trade button, select Trade Options, and choose the date and options you want to trade. To exit a trade, go to the specific stock or cryptocurrency you've purchased. Click on the Trade button, and select Sell. Enter the amount you want to sell. Choose the order type if desired. Review, and swipe up to submit. This process is the same for stocks and cryptocurrencies. If you have a cryptocurrency account, the Sell button will be visible. If not, only the Buy button will be displayed. By following these steps, you can easily enter and exit trades on Robinhood.